Now let's learn how to add an extra fee based on user role on the checkout fields. Within the Checkout Fields editor, locate the section where you'd like to add a custom field. Use the interface to drag and drop radio fields into your preferred order. After adding the text field, enter a custom label to display on the front end. You can add a custom fee to the field at the Pricing section, using the required options at the Pricing options. Add the conditional logic to the field, to show the field only when the user role is the specified one, as per your requirement. Here we took as contributor. Click the Save button to apply the changes. This ensures the field is added to the checkout form. Now you have learned how to use the fee option on checkout fields. Thank you, and have a nice day.